Man, where's that military backpack? We need it.
I guess it's really rare.
Yeah. Hey, don't you want to try driving the Beagle in this game?
Wait, didn't you say like it's bad?
Yeah, if you want to see it. Or, well,
Sure, if you want.
alright. I'm carrying a jerry can and the wheel right now. I don't think we can find any stuff here that we have to check the factory. Or probably factory. Big city or...
Oh, zombie!
I'm good, I'm good. I got bitten, but it's all good. Alright, let's see if we can find the vehicle in this game. We did found some, but I think we'll find a better one. Oh, wait. I see a tent in the game. Hold on.
You tent?
Hey, yeah, I'm gonna go check it out.
Oh, okay.
Sometimes it could be a military backpack. And nope, it's just my ammo.
Oh. Rep.
Yeah, I'll pick it up anyways. Alright, we can get out of here. Surprise!
No. Wait, what is that?
A Blair.
That's just a flare. Oh, okay. It is so dark.
Nope, not for me.
In a game.
Oh, is it dark for you in the game? Or...
If I don't have any light.
Well,
Like this.
I guess I still see without it, but it's good to have a light. But if there's players, I recommend turning it off.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if we can find any vehicles in the game. Give me just a second. I need to post this.
Okay.
Okay, I'm good. It's like a Minecraft video. Alright, let's see if we can find some cars in the game. In the factory. Oh yeah, there it is. This is the big one, bro. That we can use. Right here.
Whoa.
Oh, I haven't seen
I
this.
think you found that in your video, right?
Oh, this is different. This is a different kind.
Not different.
Alright. I'm gonna put the wheel, and then... let me see. Looks like it's moderate. Oh, here's another wheel. Boom.
Oh.
We just need 2 more wheels. Alright, I did find another wheel on the way. I'm gonna go pick that up over there.
Okay.
Alright, you know, once we repair the vehicle, you'll see what I mean by wacky vehicle.
Alright.
I might as well show you, since you haven't seen it. I want you to see it in your own eyes.
It's like not drivable, I guess.
Oh, it is, but it always bounces around.
Uh,
Alright, in the meantime, I'll check out these buildings. See if we can find another wheel.
yeah, I'm gonna check out these other buildings, see if I can find the wheel as well.
Yeah. If you found engine and a fuel tank, definitely need that too.
Oh, I found another wheel. It's called reinforce. Wheel.
Oh, that's bulletproof.
Does it work?
Oh yeah, yeah. Just gotta pick it up.
Oh, okay.
Alright, looks like I can come back to you.
Okay.
I think we can drive it. It's but the engine is just yellow, so it's still good. It's like secondhand.
Oh, yep. It looks like we need gas too.
Ah, no problem. I pick up a gas. I pick up a jerry can.
Okay.
We definitely need to find a fuel tank around these areas.
Oh, we have to repair engine too.
Sure. Alright, I repair this. Alright, I'll put the fuel tank in here. Boom. Let me pick up the other reinforced wheel.
Alright,
Boom. Make it bulletproof.
what's here? Oh, there's a watch, bandana.
There we go. That's a big storage. Hey, if you check here, bro, big storage here. Check it out.
Oh,
Yeah, I used to drive this back then with old friends.
ah.
Still remember that. Oh, hey, scrap metal. Okay, perfect.
What's that?
It's like a. I'll show you this one right here.
Oh, scrap metal.
Yeah, you can use that to repair your bike.
Yeah.
You can repair this. Boom. Yeah, green. All right, we'll check around here. Oh, hey, I found a knife. Ooh,
Ooh, this.
saber. Ooh.
Oh, mid-tier crate. Oh, purchase for 50 credits? Nah.
Yeah. I found this one, bro. The old G one.
Ow, LG sword.
Yeah. I like using this.
Ooh, I definitely need food, yup.
Yeah.
And a tuna.
Oh yeah, there's a loot box by the way, the red one.
Alright. Oh, it's free?
Hey, yeah, you can use that. So, good to go.
Roll for skin again.
Yeah. Woohoo!
Let's see what I get. Can I put on my pistol?
What's up?
Or can I put the skin on my pistol?
Ah, you can put it on anything. Should be good by the way.
Alright.
Hold on. Wait, I can copyrighted.
Oh, weapon skins. Oh, okay. Secondary. It's on my G18 now. Yay!
I think I'll take this one.
Oh, no. That's the
Yeah,
better one.
I like this.
Alright.
Yep, classic. I'm gonna try on these zombies, bro. Watch this. Hey-ya! Rawr! Hey-ya! And none of that.
One shot!
Yeah, I got bitten though.
Oh.
It's all good though. Ain't no master grocery, all G. Boom. And like that. Yeah.
Sword OGs.
Yeah. I'm also gonna get a different pair. You have the katana, and I have the saber knife.
Yeah.
And it's like 2 and 2.
Yeah, buddy.
Alright, let's check. Oh yeah, hey, there's the medical tent over there.
I'm gonna go 10.
Yeah, I can definitely get health.
Okay.
Yep, there you go. All good.
I guess we'll be walking
Hey, yep.
if we don't find a bike.
Oh, we can drive the. Oh, watch this, bro. Check this out.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Aren't I like supposed to drive my car? Or we kind of forgot.
Well, yeah. We'll go back for it.
Okay.
And the good thing is, I found a ballistic bulletproof for the car, so we can use that.
Ah.
Yeah, we can go back to it. Ah man, the classic OG knife, bro. OG sword, bro. Woo!
Yep. You're OG.
Yeah. Wait, let me compare. You think you can do me a favor and hold the katana, please? Let me see.
Okay.
Hey, yeah, yours is longer. Yeah. I think I'll prefer holding this.
Alright.
I still have my katana in my backpack.
Oh, you have the other one in your backpack?
Hey, yeah.
Nice.
Good thing it doesn't carry two space. I'll just hold it for the fun of it. And time to drive the vehicle.
Alright.
Let me look around here. Might be some stuff to repair. Scrap metal and
Oh, there's scrap metal right here.
oh, okay. All right, I can repair. I'm gonna replace it with bulletproof. Let me see. Let me see. Yep, bulletproof. Ah, freak it. Ah.
Oh, nice.
All right, let me pick up something too. Oh, I think we're good. All right, we can drive it, bro.
Okay.
All right, watch this. You can hop in, by the way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Oh, what the? It's a helicopter. Hey, I found a military backpack. Yes.
So what the?
Oh,
Really?
yeah, this one. Oh God, thank you. This is the one, bro.
How much? How much space?
The whole thing.
Oh, really?
Oh my God, I can't believe I found it now. We'll find you one, bro.
Ooh, AK-47?
Yeah.
Is that good?
You can take that if you want.
Okay. Is there ammo
Let me see.
for that?
Dang it! So the helicopter spawned in front of us? Wow. Man, military backpack.
Oh wait, can you drive helicopters in this game?
Oh, no. I wish.
I wish. Can we fix this? Just kidding.
And it's not like we're playing Cosmos Robbers or something. Well, you don't need the gun, right? Or
No, fine.
let me see if I can hold one. Or let me see how many ammo.
I guess this car is not whack.
I'll be the judge of that. Oh, in the meantime, I could just put the stuff in the back. All right, I'll put the katana and the jerry can. I can carry it for fun, bro. I'll put it in here. Boom.
Oh wow, that's a lot of storage.
Yeah, that's why military vehicles are the best. Oh, it's just me, or I don't see a jerry can.
You don't see jerk.
Yeah, I swear I put it there. What the?
I don't see it either.
Ah, damn it, I lost it. Wait, what the? I dropped stuff and it's not showing. Or wait.
Oh, it's glitchy. You see this?
Oh crap.
What the heck?
Oh no. Wait, I think I got stuck. No! It can't be. Wait a minute.
Oh.
Wait, that's weird. I don't see the jerry can here. The heck? Hold on.
It looks like I don't have it, so I don't know what happened to it.
Alright, I'll find another one. We'll see. I think I did saw another jerry can here. Let me see.